Hello everyone. So I'm here to talk about the project I've been working on in MCA, that is inventory and billing system. It is a POS software. It is a multi-tenant. It has a capability to create schemas for many number of tenants, and it can be used from a single database. Enough talking about that. Let me show you the database schemas and the app. All right, let's go. So this is the code base. Here in the library section we have all the code where the app will be routed and all the different screens. Alright, the models, here we define the structure of the database, what kind of data would be posted there. The providers would take the data from the screens and see such as this authentication screen, whatever the user enters, reset password or I'm an owner email, all that. It will take all these data, use the providers and send these data to the database, and there we have it. You have your account, your own database. Enough talking about that. Let me show you the database. This is the database, how the data would be created. First of all, this is a self what do you call it, this is a self-hosted dockerized container of Supabase. I have my own domain here, that is right here, as you can see. So here all the different emails, all the users accounts, I can see them, their tenants, all the tenant accounts, see, and the schemas, what kind of schemas they are using to store data. And here we have the fields, such as the key is unique, but the type, that is name and label name, the type depends on, see, such as this Q, stock keep unit, and this market rate. And I've used these types because market rates keeps fluctuating and you need to enter them on a daily basis. That's why I've implemented all these types. See, there is a stock ledger, what kind of stocks are going in and out. Sales, here different user IDs, they're conducting sales. Alright, and this is the billing config. Here based on the groups and section, let me show you the schema, such as, where was it, see, the label name is gold and the type is drop down. Drop downs are basically groups and the options inside them are the categories, such as name is gold and under it gold rings, gold earrings, all these are categories. And based on those groups, see, category IDs, we have created the fields where we would ask users how the data would be stored and used for billing, all that. And we also have a formula creator section. Here formula definitions are given, such as this one. I'll show you in the app, just a second. Let me just fire up this script, which would, right here we have the app. Let me just where is it, right, yes, everything is cleared out. So this is the app. It's currently running on my phone and Docker Supabase container right here on my laptop, right? So the laptop is basically my server and this is the app on my phone. They're communicating through the website, that is IBS software. They're using the JWT tokens and anonymous keys that I cannot currently reveal right now, but I'll definitely upload them on GitHub with an example file how you should create those keys. And this project is eventually going to be open source, but I have some features I need to work on, such as this roles management and employees, keeping tabs on employees, all that. I have not implemented all that, but let's see. I'll work by the end of this week. I'll try to upload this on GitHub. See, these are the inventories, and you can, let me just add one product. Suppose here is a gold ring. Any hallmark ID I could give like this, and I'll use the metal market rate and market rate while billing. See, the product is saved. I hope so. Why is it saying sold out? Let me see. Let me check. It is okay. Here we have encountered a bug. Alright, we're back. The bug was basically I was trying to edit the already sold item, that's why it was not letting me do that. But now that I have physically, I mean, increased the stock amount, that's why now I hope it'll, yes, this just updated and we have all these. Let me just show you how the billing works. So right now the gold market rate I believe is 1,37,000 per 10 grams, and the making charge is right about this much, and the GST, and here I have added this round off feature and this discount. See, about 300 and this 96 rupees I can just round off 96.60. So the final amount becomes this much, 40,300. Here I have to add the customer. Let's just select this one, and those were already added customers, that's why I was able to select, but otherwise I would have had to, you know, physically add the customer right here with this screen. But let's just do this instead, and you can split it, right, like 40,000 here and another payment slip about 300 rupees someone if UPI, and you have to give the ID number or else it will not consider the payment. And after this you can just print or download the receipt. Yes. Okay, let me just exit it out, and here it will show the invoices and the reports, the net profit and all this, and the total amount of sales with a weekly graph. So this was basically the app. Alright, thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you learned something about Flutter and Supabase. And if you have any queries, please do comment down below and I'll try to resolve those queries, and thank you.